The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a powerhouse flagship, building on the legacy of its predecessors with cutting-edge technology and premium features. Expected to launch with Samsung's most advanced display yet, the S26 Ultra may feature a brighter, more efficient AMOLED panel with an adaptive refresh rate of up to 144 Hz. Under the hood, it's likely to be powered by the next-gen Snapdragon or Exynos chipset, depending on the region, delivering top-tier performance for gaming, multitasking, and AI-driven features. Camera-wise, early leaks suggest a massive upgrade, possibly introducing a new 1-inch sensor for the main camera and improved periscope zoom capabilities, aimed at redefining mobile photography. Battery life and charging speed are also expected to improve, with rumors pointing to faster wired and wireless charging. With a refined design, One UI improvements, and tighter integration with Samsung's ecosystem, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is gearing up to be one of the most complete Android smartphones of its generation.